Blockchain technology has been making the headlines for the past couple of years. Multiple industries have been transitioning to blockchain, from healthcare industries, pharmaceuticals, education, agriculture, manufacturing companies, shipping companies, and online gaming and entertainment, just to name a few. A revolution of the digital world, blockchain opens a multitude of opportunities with its decentralized system and secured digital records, making business more cost-efficient, more secure, and more stable. With Nexuschain, we transform the way you do business. Our mission is to provide our clients the ability to fully realize the potential of their businesses with the support of the world's newest technology for enterprise blockchain development and span to deliver secure and decentralized application. We push the limits of the contemporary commerce by minimizing risks, maximizing assets, and eliminating liabilities. In-depth knowledge of blockchain is unnecessary for a company to use it. Think of a digital spreadsheet that is shared by everyone in the company. Each person has his or her own copy and key of the spreadsheet that updates in real time. This makes communication faster, more reliable, and stable. Nexuschain offers you the advantage of unique encryption, which prioritizes privacy, and safety, as any form of hacking, editing, or altering will be virtually impossible to do. This makes your business 100% safe, secure, and stable. The peer-to-peer system removes any need for third-party entities to complete the transaction, reducing time, cost, and energy, making it more efficient. Nexuschain can create a custom decentralized algorithm, giving you the opportunity to take all matters into your hands while taking away the menial things a traditional system has to consider. Nexuschain doesn't stop at providing you with a platform. We offer offshore company registration, making your business competitive against the global commerce. We also design premium MLM solutions, renovating the way MLM businesses work with the features of blockchain technology. And with all the technological needs, Nexuschain can accelerate your digital transformation without too much of a cost. We help businesses create robust web designs, develop e-commerce websites, create decentralized mobile apps, stable software, digital campaign and marketing, web hosting, and customer support. We create solutions for businesses with a colossal effect, leading your business into the future. We have provided top-notch blockchain programs for hundreds of businesses with stress-free installation, user-friendly interfaces, and affordable prices. Nexuschain is the blockchain company to help you ease into the blockchain technology. With our creative team and state-of-the-art technology, transforming your business with Nexuschain is a guaranteed success. Connect with us today and experience a one-of-a-kind blockchain revolution.